Hello guys, welcome back to our video session class. The last video class we have already completed our chemistry syllabus up to final term. The last chapter that we have done, that is air, water and air and atmosphere. So by continuing this chapter again, I want to discuss with you some short questions and answers from your book, textbook, from the exercise. Section 1. Name the following. The catalyst used in the laboratory preparation of oxygen from potassium chloride. So when you want to prepare oxygen in a laboratory, potassium chloride, which catalyst we have to use? We have to use potassium dioxide, manganese dioxide as a catalyst. Okay. The bacteria which fix the free atmospheric nitrogen into soluble nitrate, that is rhizobium bacteria, discoverer of nitrogen gas. Who discovered nitrogen gas? Nitrogen gas was discovered by Daniel Rutherford in 1772. Okay. Then after the gas manufactured by Haber-Bosch process, Haber-Bosch process is ammonia gas. The phenomenon caused by greenhouse effect, that is the global warming. Choose the correct options. Which of the following is not a major air pollutant? Which of the following is not a major air pollutant? That is methane, sulfur dioxide, CF, chlorofluorocarbon, ammonia. Naturally free nitrogen is fixed directly into the soluble nitrates by the rhizobium, thundering wind and nitrosomus is rhizobium. Lavoisier named this gas, which is important for the suspension of life, that is oxygen. Rusting is an example of rapid oxidation. Combustion, it's a slow oxidation. The answer is slow oxidation. On burning magnesium in air, the mass of the product form is increases or decrease? It increases. Now, true, false, and correct the false statement. Nitrosomonas bacterium convert ammonium compound into nitrates. Okay. So nitrosomonas bacteria, what is about it? As you have seen in your book, nitrosomonas bacteria, it is help in the nitrification process. So, but it converts ammonium compound into nitrates. So, the statement is true. The catalyst alter the rate of reaction without undergoing any chemical change. Yes, it's alter the rate of chemical reaction without going to chemical change. Potassium nitrate on heating releases oxygen gas and form potassium oxide. So when potassium nitrate is heated, what happens? When potassium nitrate is heated, it produces it gives oxygen. Obviously it releases oxygen in the presence of catalyst, that is called manganese dioxide. Okay. So we use it here potassium chlorate, not potassium nitrate. Okay. So the correct statement is potassium chlorate on heating releases oxygen. After that, potassium also it gives, so it gives potassium nitrite. Potassium nitrate on heating releases oxygen gas with potassium nitrate, not potassium oxide. Chlorofluorocarbon reacts with ozone and deplete the carbon layer. Yes, chlorofluorocarbon reacts with ozone, and it is a reason for the depletion of ozone layer, not carbon layer. It is a ozone layer. Glucose during the process of photosynthesis changes into carbon dioxide, water, vapor, and energy. Exactly, it's a true statement, right? So glucose during the process of photosynthesis? No, it is in the process of respiration, changes into carbon dioxide, water, vapor, and energy. Now the fill in the blanks with correct options given in the bracket. Hydrogen peroxide releases dash in the presence of manganese oxide. Is in the presence of oxygen. Soda water has sour taste due to the presence of sulfuric acid or carbonic acid. It is due to the sulfuric acid. Wet scrubber used in factories absorb dash gases. It's nitrogen oxide. Excessive dash methane and water vapor causes greenhouse effect. It's excessive of carbon dioxide. Oxygen is dash means 21%, nitrogen is 78%, and carbon dioxide is 0.03% in the dry air by volume. Now match the columns. Dry ice. It is a solid carbon dioxide. Then photosynthesis, release of oxygen. Then greenhouse effect, reflected the solar heat trapped by gases of lower atmosphere. Is the greenhouse. Baking powder, number 3, baking powder. Produces carbon dioxide, and wetlands release methane gas. Okay. Now you have the definitions that you can write easily from the book. Distinguish between slow rapid oxidation, slow oxidation, you know, photosynthesis and respirations, combustion, rusting, very easy ones. Greenhouse gas and global warming, respiration and combustion. You can also differentiate between them. So, and the give reason, manganese dioxide is mixed with potassium chloride to release oxygen. So, potassium, because manganese dioxide act as a, when potassium chloride is heated in the presence of manganese dioxide, it speeds up the reaction to produce oxygen gas or to release oxygen gas. Rusting is slow oxidation because rusting is by the action of moist air, a layer of coating forms on the brown layer, that is ferric oxide. It does not take in 1 or 2 days, it takes more than that, so it is a slow oxidation. Magnesium gain mass, whereas wood loses the mass of yes, when magnesium burns in the presence it gains masses, but when wood burns to form ash, its mass is reduced or losses. Rhizobium is a friendly bacterium. Rhizobium is a friendly bacterium because this bacteria helps to fix the atmospheric nitrogen to soluble nitrates into the soil. Nitrogen is used to preserve food items, potato and chips, suppose, because nitrogen in the presence of nitrogen, bacteria does not grows. And air is a mixture, you all know, because the percentage of air, the composition of the percentage of the composition of air is not same in everywhere. It varies from place to place. So these are the few questions that you can go through it, and you try to solve the question, short question answers and long question answer also. I will also give these works in your homework. In the next video class, I will discuss with you some picture studies related to this chapter given in your book. It's very important because these picture study questions also coming in your exam. Okay students, hope you have understood the few question answers that I have discussed with you. Fill in the blanks, true, false, mix, then name the following. Do it all this in your book. I am not going to give this work in your homework. Just go do it in your book itself. Okay students, thank you very much for watching this video.